Good afternoon, everyone. Merry Christmas to my Sudoku friends. Yeah, in the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, December the 23rd and 24th, 2023. I've told you earlier on Christmas Day. Today it's Monday, actually Monday. We have no newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. We have here two puzzles left in the puzzle page: the 3-star Sudoku and the binary. And we have also an additional with 3 puzzles left. Yeah, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the 1-star jigsaw Sudoku. So 5 puzzles for today. Alright, the first 2 Sudoku with 3 stars. Well, actually it's a 2 stars puzzle. First, this one will be number 7680080. Yeah. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in additional, yeah, this will be a 2 stars, but it's indicated with 3 stars. So I need 20 to 30 minutes. If it's a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is really a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. I think it's a 2 stars. Let me put this. It's a 2 stars here. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan. Need a 2 here. Okay. Need a 5 here. Need a 7 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 1 here. Come on. Need a 7 here. Need a 1. 1 in this row. 1 in the third row. So the row between only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have 1 this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between the only place level 2 should be there. 6, need a 7, 6, need a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level the 3 should be there. Need a 4, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are 2 and a 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in the third row. So no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. So we have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between second row, the only 2 place left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there, 9 in the third column. 9 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. 9 here. 9 here. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 9. How about the 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Need a 4 here. And need a 4 there. Okay. How about need a 5 here, need a 5 there. 5 and 6 are missing. Come on. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between this middle column, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left, 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so the first row, only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2, okay. We have 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left, 1 should be there. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. Then need 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left, 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. Need a 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, 5 should be there. Okay, here, here, and there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 7, okay, the first 6, okay. Here we have also 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing. We need a 1 here. Well, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 in this column should be there. The 2 we have here. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Alright, do we have all the 1s? No, 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so no row between. Only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay, and now 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 3 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 3 here. And here I cannot continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But 7 and the 9. The 9 in this column, the 9 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 9. We have a 9 in this row, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be 9. We have all the 9s, and all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 9. Okay. Then 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. 8, 8. 4, 4. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. About 1 box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 1 box left in this row, third row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Here we have a pair. That means 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 now in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there, 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left with the 6 should be there, 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left with the 6 should be there. 3 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square from the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. Well, not a 3 stars. No. Let me give this well, it should be a 0 stars, but not quite indicated, this one. Thought it was a 2 stars, but it turns out it's a 0 stars. Wow. We solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle, a binary puzzle in the puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now.